Hello, my name is Matt. Welcome to 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗧's YouTube channel. On this channel, we're going to teach some different lessons, and hopefully they will help you improve your English and your speaking and listening skills. All right, so for the first lesson, we're going to study the alphabet. A, alley. B, banana. C, cat. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, gold. H, horror. I, iPhone. J, job. K, king. L, line. M, mat. N, night. O, octopus. P, peanuts. Q, queen. R, rose. S, school. T, teacher. U, umbrella. V, violin. W, watch. X, X-ray. Y, yellow. Z, zoo. All right, now you know your ABCs. Next time, come study with me. Thank you for watching. Catch us next time, and we will study the time. See you soon. Goodbye.